If you want to install WordPress from your cPanel manually and professionally, then this tutorial is only for you. It's me Robin from Urban Web Solutions. If you need any kind of WordPress website, you may contact with us. To install WordPress manually, we have to download WordPress first. So we have to go on wordpress.org. Click on Get WordPress. Then scroll down and here you will see the latest version of WordPress. Then click on download WordPress and it will be downloaded. It's downloading, and in this time we are going to do another setup. You have to go on your cPanel. Then first we are going to see the directory where we are going to install the WordPress. So go to the file manager and then you can see here in this domain we are going to install WordPress manually. So enter there, and now first we need to create a database user and password, because to install WordPress we need a database to connect to WordPress. So search database and then MySQL database. Then from here create a database. Suppose our database name is manual WP. Create database. Go back. And then we need to create a username for this database. So scroll down and here you can see username field. Then manual user. Then you have to put a password. Our password supposed to be manual user hash. Again we have to put the password here, manual user hash, and then click on create user. Then go back, and now we have to add the database and user. So scroll down again and then add user to database. So this is our user we have created earlier and this is our database. So click on add and then select all and click on make changes, and it's saved. Now the database and user has been created. In this step we have to go on the directory where we are going to install the WordPress. So this is the folder, this is the domain where we are going to install the WordPress. Enter, and recently we have downloaded the WordPress and we have to upload here. So click on upload and then select file. After that, this is our WordPress file. You have to upload here the zip file. So click and open. It's uploading. Already uploaded. Then go back to the directory. Now can you see here our WordPress zip file? This one our WordPress zip file which is uploaded some moments ago, and then now we have to unzip this. So select this and click on extract and then extract files. Now WordPress files has been extracted, and then enter to WordPress and select all the files and folders. So we have to select, click on select all, then we have to move because it's on inside the WordPress folder, but we have to keep this inside in the domain folder directly. So move and then cut the WordPress and move files. Then back, and now you can see here WordPress files. So we have to browse our domain name. So this is our domain name. Open a new tab and load. Can you see? You will see this type of interface. Then click on continue. Let's go. Then database name. Can you remember we have created a database? So database is this. Select, put here, and username. Can you see the username? And then put. After that, password. We gave a password, manual user, and then a hash. Database host, local host is fine, table prefix also fine. So click on submit, run the installation, and then site title, our first website, and username admin, and password is password, confirm with password, and put here your email address, personal email or business email, rbnwebsolutions@gmail.com. If this is discourage search engines from indexing this site, if you select this, your site will not be shown in Google, so we don't need to select. Install WordPress, and yeah, successfully we are done. Click on login, and then our username is admin and password is password. Then click on login, browse the site, and this is our first site, and manual setup has been done successfully. And in the next video I will show how you can create a WordPress website very easily. So please subscribe our channel. If you subscribe our channel, you will be able to learn more things about WordPress and WordPress website. So stay with RBN Web Solutions. Thank you.